Welcome to Rediscover to the World. Today we are in Blackpool and today we are here to attend Central Pier walking tour. So you can see in front of us, that's a Central Pier. So when you're coming in Blackpool, there are three pier. One is Central Pier, South Pier and North Pier. Last time we were in South Pier and now today we are in Central Pier. And it's a very sunny and bright day today. And the Central Pier, it's easy to find Central Pier. It's front of the Madame Tussauds. You can see here is Madame Tussauds, and that's the Central Pier. And it's a very sunny and bright day. People are enjoying the view is very nice. And so we're going for a walk. Yes, people are flying kites as well. You can see the kites flying, and people are enjoying the atmosphere. It's a very sunny and bright day here. And that's the Blackpool Tower. You can see the Blackpool Tower, sea life on my right side, Funland, Madame Tussauds, and in front of the Madame Tussauds we have Central Pier. Yeah, here's a tram coming, public transport. That's the life of Blackpool. So let's go for a Central Pier walking tour. In front of us you can see Madame Tussauds, and that's the Blackpool Tower. Here's the Blackpool Tower. And here's the Madame Tussauds. And that's a Central Pier stop as well. And that's our Central Pier. I will show you. Today is a very sunny and bright day. Sorry, there's a background music going on. And so today we are going to ride this. Let me take this one for. So showing the view of the Central Pier here. So we are also going to take this wheel ride. You can see. Hopefully I will experience you. Are you ready for that wheel ride? Inside or outside? So that's showing welcome to Central Pier, Blackpool Pier, and North Shore, South Shore, let's see. Just with onions.
Alright guys, it is the next one. Your safety bars will release in a second. Just give them a caution and exit towards me.
We are on top of the wheel. Just want to show you the view from the wheel. We're on top. We're on top, right? Why are you getting so scared?